IQOO 9S Pro, a flagship phone just launched today. New flagship processor, 8T LTPO technology, OLED display, lightweight in design, fast charging and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of IQOO 9S Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. This is the IQOO 9S Pro box. The phone comes in white color. Inside the box, you'll find a transparent case, user manual, 120W power adapter, SIM ejector tool, and a Type-C to Type-C cable. Now, let's talk about the design of the IQOO 9S Pro. This is the glass variant, but it also comes in red and white leather variants. The design is quite similar to the IQOO 9S Pro. The white color of this model is called Star White by the company. The phone has a back made of AG frosted glass, which is not glossy and has a textured finish, so fingerprints won't be noticeable. The phone weighs around 198 grams and is 7.99 millimeters thick. It features a 6.78-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution, and the screen is flat, making it suitable for gaming. Additionally, the phone isn't too heavy, enhancing the gaming experience. As I mentioned earlier, this video covers the unboxing and first impressions of the phone. I'll upload a detailed review video tomorrow, so subscribe to our tech channel to be the first to watch it. Regarding the performance of the IQOO 9S Pro, it features the recently launched Dimensity 9300 Plus flagship processor, which has a clock speed of up to 3.4 GHz, the highest in mobile platforms. The phone comes with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. The Antutu running score is over 2.2 million. For gaming performance, playing Honor of Kings at 120 FPS for 30 minutes consumes only 6% power and maintains a full, stable frame rate. You can play PUBG Mobile at the highest setting of 90 FPS, and Genshin Impact at the highest setting of 60 FPS. We'll discuss the average frame rates in more detail in tomorrow's review video. After playing Genshin Impact for 30 minutes, the back temperature only reaches up to 42 degrees Celsius, which is very good. Using the IQOO cooling clip can reduce the back temperature by 7 degrees, bringing it down to 35 degrees. Regarding the camera, the IQOO 9S Pro features a main camera with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX920 sensor, the same one found in Vivo's flagship X100 series. It also has a secondary 50-megapixel GN1 ultra-wide sensor. You can see sample shots here. The phone comes with additional features like an infrared remote, stereo speakers, and an X-axis linear motor. It has a 5,160 mAh battery, and the included 120-watt charger can charge the battery to 40% in just 9 minutes and fully charge it in 30 minutes. The base variant of the IQOO 9S Pro starts at 26.99 Chinese yuan, which is around £326 in the UK and $415 in the USA. We'll cover the phone's conclusion in a detailed review tomorrow. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.